Do not skip this part as it will ensure the safety of your ears. Important info will follow. This video contains loud dog whistle types of noises. When you see the pound, this means a loud noise that may cause damage to the ear will come within the next 8 seconds. When you see pound, turn your volume down. The owner of the video is not responsible for any complaints. But without further ado, let's begin.
Hello and thanks for calling Walmart. This is Julie. How can
Hello and welcome to the Morning Upstate News. Today, alarming news: red phone numbers cause the death of a woman that will not be identified, had died after a phone number that was red was answered by her. In less than 2 seconds, an extremely high tone was sent through the line. She died in less than a tenth of a second. No more outbreaks of these have been seen, but if you do not pick up, you will die. In 2014, about 120 people had been having hearing loss or died in Pakistan because of these phone numbers. Please again, do not answer the phone to red phone numbers. In other news, Hurricane Barbarian approaches Florida.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Upstate New York Police Department. At 10:30 p.m. multiple deaths have been occurring all over the area. The police are patrolling the area. Lock all doors. Do not answer your phone to anyone that is unknown. Please do not let anyone in besides a police officer. If there is only one, do not let them in. If there are 3 or more, you may let them in. The case for these dead people are still unknown. This may be suspected to be red phone numbers. This has not been identified to be red phone numbers. Do not pick up to a phone that has red digests on the screen. Hang up as soon as possible. The message they leave is a loud noise, but not able to cause death or major ear damage. Put your messaging system off. Do not check the messages. Voicemail should be off as well. Again, this is not official as it might be something else. Please stay tuned to be news and information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Upstate Police Department. At 5:30 p.m. red phone numbers have been the cause of death. Disappearances are still not known. Do not pick up the phone. The phone numbers as hidden as people you may know. Do not use the phone no matter what. Mute your phone. Mute your messaging system, and do not pick up your phone. Police are in the area looking for a suspect that may be hiding the bodies of some of these people. He is not known at this time. This message will repeat.